Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हम एक chocolate factory में आए हैं. It's a really tiny place, but it's so cozy and so nice. यहाँ पे chocolates बनती हैं and sale भी होती हैं. So let me show you around. And the place name is Barkeater Chocolate Factory. So let's see. So this is the place from outside. ये सारे यहाँ पे forest है, parking spots, and this is the outside of this place. ये छोटा सा house type है and यहाँ पे chocolates बनती हैं and sale होती हैं. So yeah, let's go inside and I will show you what's inside. Look at that school bus. It's just for decoration purposes. So yeah. Okay, let's go inside and see. ये baskets हैं, इसमें आप chocolates लेके collect करके रख सकते हैं. I think वहाँ पे chocolates बन रही हैं. So this is a tiny museum they have. So इस मशीन में बनती है chocolate. And those are the molding trays for shapes, different sizes. Here they have video कि किस तरह बनती है. The view from outside is so nice.
How long? The shop itself, she started it in 2008. It used to be downtown. They moved to this building in 2013. Yep.
This is funny.
We do some well, they're not exactly tours, but where you can come in and learn about chocolate and chocolate making and make some different things. And then we also have a haunted tour, because this is a haunted building, so you can learn about the history of the building and the paranormal things that have happened. And then you make chocolate ghosts.
Really?
Yeah.
The government is closed in hours? Because we went up and before like the roads are closed.
Gosh, it's open sometimes. They do the gondola ride and
So
stuff,
these are
but
all
maybe just this week.
chocolates.
Or maybe it's Labor Day?
So many different
It is
chocolates
Labor
here.
Day, but yeah, I know in the fall it's really busy there. You know, when there's foliage and stuff. Columbus Day, there's a big like festival there with all these vendors and stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
And all these chocolates are like produced here?
Yes. Yep. Right back in that room, and then over what used to be a garage over there is where we do most of the stuff. Yep. And we have a website. We ship all over the country. We wholesale in dozens and dozens of places. Hannaford, Price Chopper, New York, rest areas.
So
Taste
ये
of New York.
जगह
We
haunted
find
भी
our
है.
products
यहाँ पे काफ़ी haunted चीज़ें होती हैं. Stories काफ़ी हैं. Ghosts की.
there. Is it your first time visiting Adirondacks? Yes.
Actually first time visiting any like such place like
Out of the city.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, this is really out of the city, isn't it?
Because we came like at night was at 9 p.m. and it was all dark and everything's
Everybody's in bed by then. Yeah.
So these are candles. ये candles हैं और इनकी smell भी सारी बिल्कुल chocolate ये वाली chocolate brownie है. It smells so nice. I want to buy this लेकिन then मेरा फिर कुछ chocolate खाने का दिल करेगा. This smells like hot chocolate. Just like it says hot cocoa. Let's smell this one. Oh my god, they smell बिल्कुल वैसी smell है जैसे hot cocoa की होती है and hot chocolate. Hot chocolate brownie and hot chocolate cake. These are so cool. This place is so cool. So ये soaps हैं. Mountain mocha. So this soap also smells like chocolate. So all these soaps, ये सब soaps की smell chocolate की.
We didn't have to worry, running into other people. I said, I felt bad for people in the city because you couldn't even go out and walk because there was everybody around. I can walk for miles without seeing another human being, Hello. Hi. I felt so bad for people with kids stuck in an apartment. But yeah, I said,
Oh, you're right.
I said, honestly, my life is not one bit different than it was before the pandemic. Everything was the same. It was already isolated, and we stayed open because we're food manufacturers. We stayed open. So,
Here is where we live. यहाँ पे हम रहते हैं. The whole USA map. Where are you from, guys? Let me know in the comments below. आपका city कौन सा है?